Before buying gel nail polish, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But real buyers are definitely talking about it. Not all gels are created equal, and the hidden details can make or break your manicure. Product number 1, Beetles Fall Gel Polish Set. The first one on my list is the Beetles Fall Gel Polish Set, priced at $20.89. This set caught my attention with its impressive 32 colors. If you want endless options for creative nail designs, this is worth a serious look. What's great about this set is that it includes not just colors, but also a base coat and both glossy and matte top coats. This means you can easily mix and match for different looks. Plus, with a 4.3-star rating from over 25,800 reviews, it's clearly a favorite. The long-lasting shine is a game changer. It lasts up to 28 days with proper application under a UV lamp. This is crucial because nobody wants to deal with chips just a few days after a fresh manicure. Now, some people have mentioned that the gel can feel thick upon application. Here's the thing though, as long as you apply it in thin layers and cure it properly, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. Honestly, if you're looking for variety and ease of use, this set is still a solid choice. This is perfect for you if you love experimenting with colors or need a gift for someone else. Skip this one if you're looking for a single, specific color or if you want something lighter on the wallet. Alright, that was a solid option. But if you want something even more comprehensive, check out the next pick. Product number 2, Beetles Gel Nail Polish Kit with UV Light. Next up is the Beetles Gel Nail Polish Kit with UV Light, priced at $22.78. This kit has a whopping 80 pieces, including 55 colors. If you're serious about your nail art, this is definitely worth your attention. This kit is a beginner's dream. It comes complete with everything you need: base and top coats, a professional nail lamp, and even tools for nail art. The variety of colors allows you to match your nails with any outfit or occasion. People rave about the quality, and with similar ratings as the previous product, it's clear that this kit delivers good results. You can expect up to 3 weeks of lasting color, which means less frequent touch-ups. However, some users found the lamp to be a bit underpowered, requiring longer curing times than expected. But honestly, if you follow the instructions and use a strong adapter, you should be fine. The value here is incredible, especially for someone who wants the full salon experience at home. This kit is ideal for DIY enthusiasts or anyone looking to sharpen their nail skills. Skip this one if you're just after a couple of colors and don't need the extras. Now, if the size of the last kit felt overwhelming, the next one offers a more manageable alternative. Product number 3, Beetles Gel Nail Polish Set, 24 PCS. Now, let's talk about the Beetles Gel Nail Polish Set, which has 24 pieces and is priced at just $9.99. This caught my eye because it's not only affordable, but also offers a great selection of soft pastel colors. If you want to experiment with lighter shades, this is definitely worth considering. This set includes 20 pastel gel polishes, a base coat, and 2 top coats, glossy and matte, allowing for versatile looks. The pastel colors are perfect for creating delicate nail art, and they can brighten up any season. With a solid 4.3-star rating, many users appreciate how easy these gels are to apply, even for beginners. However, a few users reported that the colors might not be as vibrant as expected. Here's the thing, pastel colors are meant to be soft, so if you're looking for bold, bright shades, you might want to adjust your expectations. For someone looking to add subtle hues to their collection, this set is still a fantastic option. This is perfect for you if you love soft, dreamy colors or want to try out nail art without breaking the bank. Skip this one if vibrant colors are what you're after. Alright, moving on to a more classic style. The next product is a must-see. Product number 4, Jotzone 36 PCS Gel Nail Polish Set. The Jotzone 36 PCS Gel Nail Polish Set is next on my list, priced at $15.99. This set includes 32 colors and caught my attention because of its classic color selection. If you're looking for a wide range of staple colors, this is definitely worth your time. With shades like nude, red, and classic black, this kit is perfect for any occasion, from everyday wear to special events. The long-lasting formula claims to last over 21 days, which is impressive. Users also appreciate the easy application process, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced nail enthusiasts. Plus, it's environment-friendly, which is an added bonus for those conscious about ingredients. On the downside, some users found that the colors weren't as true to the bottle in different lighting situations. But honestly, this is common with many nail polishes. If you're someone who enjoys classic looks and doesn't mind a little color variation, this set is a solid pick. This is great for you if you need reliable, everyday colors for your nails. Skip this one if you want trendy, unique shades. Now, if you're looking for something that really stands out, the next option is a unique gem. Product number 5, Double Rhythm Gel Nail Polish. Lastly, we have the Double Rhythm Gel Nail Polish, priced at $6.99. What makes this product interesting is its milky white shade, which is a staple for nail art. If you want a base for various styles, this is worth checking out. This jelly polish is super versatile. It's perfect for creating French tips or as a base for colorful designs, making it a must-have for nail art lovers. With a high gloss finish and lasting up to 28 days, it's surprisingly durable for its price. Users appreciate its easy application, especially for beginners. However, some people have mentioned that it requires precise application to avoid streaks. Here's the thing, it's a bit tricky, but if you take your time, you'll get beautiful results. For someone who loves to play with nail designs, this is a great addition to your toolkit. This is perfect for you if you like experimenting with nail art styles. Skip this one if you prefer more traditional colors or want something that's a one-step solution. To wrap things up, we've explored a range of gel nail polishes that cater to different needs. From the Beatles' Fall Gel Polish Sets variety to the unique Milky White from Double Rhythm, there's something for everyone. Whichever you choose, happy painting, and may your nails always look fabulous.